All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. So obstacle. 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 Yes, an obstacle like this. Obstacle, yeah. Things that get in your way. Things that get in the way. Get in the way and hold you back. Hold you back. So you wanted to go that way, but being held back. Hold you back. I overcame the obstacle already. There are a lot of obstacles in your life. You will need to get over these obstacles. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. She is learning how to get over this obstacle. He knows how to climb over that obstacle. Yeah. I'm learning how to overcome different obstacles in life. Yeah. Yeah. So all they see are obstacles. Some people only see obstacles and others see opportunity. Yeah. Some people see challenges and some people see opportunity and chances. Yeah. How cool is that? He has overcome a lot of obstacles. So over the years, he has overcome different challenges and obstacles to be where he is today. How cool is that? Yeah. I'm climbing even more obstacles all the time. So each mountain is a challenge and an obstacle that can be overcome. Yeah. Yeah. All of life is an obstacle in its own way. When you know what to focus on and are working on it, then everything else is just a distraction or an obstacle. Yeah. They get in your way. They're distracting you. These obstacles. Ugh. Yeah. How cool is that? So there are more obstacles to come. Get ready. When you think you've made it, another obstacle in life will appear. Yeah. There is always another obstacle to overcome. Yes. Always something else. Yeah. But each obstacle makes you stronger and smarter. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, definitely. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah, very good. Yeah. How cool is that? So, can you use obstacle in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah, Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.